Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting contents for you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's get started.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent.
Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce you to the basic definition of fluid mechanics. I will talk about fluids and their classification. Fluid. A fluid is a material that continuously deforms under a constant force. Or simply, a fluid is a substance that has no fixed shape and can flow easily. Fluids are divided into two main groups. First one is liquids. They have a definite volume but take the shape of their container. Second one is gases. They have neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume and expand to fill any space. A given mass of liquid at constant temperature and pressure has a defined volume but no specific shape. A given mass of gas has no set volume and shape. It will ultimately fill any closed space to which it has access and therefore does not form a free surface. Continuum hypothesis. At a microscopic level, fluids consist of molecules separated by empty space. The empty space refers to the distance between molecules. Molecules are made up of one or more atoms. This hypothesis helps us treat fluids as continuous rather than discrete molecules, making fluid mechanics calculations much easier. Atom is a particle of matter that uniquely defines a chemical element. Matter is a substance made up of various types of particles. Fluid is distributed discretely and not continuously. In establishing the mathematical modes, the molecular structure of the fluid is no interest. It is therefore more convenient to treat the fluid as a continuum. That is continuum distribution of matter, solid, liquid, or a gas, with no empty space. So that at each point we can describe a unique velocity, pressure, and density. Fluid body and fluid particle. A fluid matter bounded by some imagined closed surface S, which moves with the fluid. The surface S completely and permanently separates the fluid matter inside S from that outside. A fluid body is said to move with the fluid if the velocity at every point on the surface of the body is the same as the velocity of the fluid at that point. We define a fluid particle as the fluid contained within an infinitesimal volume where size is so small that it may be regarded as a geometrical point. A fluid particle when isolated retains all the properties of the fluid in bulk. Thus a fluid particle is not mathematical but a physical point possessing volume, weight, mass, and density. Physical properties of the fluid. Pressure. The magnitude of force per unit area exerted in a direction normal to that area. If the normal force is uniformly distributed across the plane area A. The formula of pressure is pressure P is equal to force over area. If the normal force is non-uniformly distributed across the surface area A, then the mathematical notation is where del F is the normal force exerted on the small element of surface area del A enclosing the point P. Stress. Stress is defined as the force per unit area of the surface on which it acts. The formula of stress is stress is equal to force over area. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button for more update and let us give your opinion on video in the comments section below.